Hello everyone! Welcome back to this channel. Today, we are going to talk about a very important topic in our lives. The topic is my family. Family is one of the most important parts of our life. It gives us love, support, and happiness. Now, let's begin and listen carefully. My family is very special to me. I love my family very much. There are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my brother, and me. We live together in a small but comfortable house. Even though our house is not very big, it is full of love and warmth. Let me tell you about my father. My father is a hard-working man. He wakes up early every day and goes to work. He always does his best to support our family. He is kind, strong, and responsible. In his free time, he likes to read the news and watch television. Sometimes he also tells us stories about his life. I learn many things from him. Now, let me talk about my mother. My mother is a very caring and loving person. She takes care of the whole family. She cooks delicious food for us every day. She always makes sure that we are happy and healthy. My mother is also very patient. She listens to me when I have problems and gives me good advice. I feel lucky to have such a wonderful mother. Next, I want to talk about my brother. My brother is younger than me. He is active, funny, and sometimes a little naughty. We like to play together and watch movies. Sometimes we argue, but we always make up quickly. He makes our home more lively and fun. As for me, I am a student. I spend most of my time studying and learning new things. I also like to practice English every day. My family always supports me and encourages me to do my best. Because of them, I feel more confident and motivated. In my family, we like to spend time together. In the evening, we often sit together and talk about our day. We share our experiences, our feelings, and our ideas. This helps us understand each other better. On weekends, we sometimes go out together. We may visit a park, go shopping, or have a meal outside. These moments are very precious to me. Family is not only about living together, it is also about caring for each other. When someone in my family is sick, we all take care of that person. When someone feels sad, we try to make them happy. We support each other in good times and bad times. This is what makes a family strong. I believe that communication is very important in a family. We should talk openly and honestly. We should listen to each other and respect each other's opinions. Even if we have different ideas, we can still understand and accept each other. This helps build a strong and healthy relationship. Sometimes we may have problems in the family. This is normal. No family is perfect, but what is important is how we solve these problems. We should be patient, calm, and kind. We should try to understand each other and find a solution together. My family has taught me many important values. They taught me to be kind, respectful, and responsible. They taught me to work hard and never give up. They also taught me the importance of love and care. These lessons are very important in my life. I am very thankful for my family. They are always there for me. They support me when I feel weak. They celebrate with me when I succeed. They are my biggest strength. I cannot imagine my life without them. In the future, I want to make my family proud. I want to work hard and achieve my goals. I also want to take care of my parents and give them a happy life. They have done so much for me, and I want to give something back to them. Family is not only about parents and siblings, it can also include grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins. They are also important parts of our life. They bring more joy and connection to our family. No matter where we go in life, our family is always with us in our hearts. Even if we are far away, we still feel their love and support. This connection is very strong and special. So, always love your family. Spend time with them. Talk to them. Care for them. Because one day you will realize that family is the most valuable thing in your life. In conclusion, my family is my happiness, my support, and my strength. I love them very much, and I am grateful for everything they do for me. Thank you so much for listening. Keep practicing your English and see you in the next video.